Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this little spin brush that I found off of AliExpress. So I found this brush off of AliExpress for $8.69, I believe. And I thought, wow, that's really cool. I saw a lot of brushes like this on Instagram. I already tried it out a little bit, but I wanted to try it out on camera with you guys to get the full extent of how well it works. So let's just jump right into the video. If you are not already subscribed, please subscribe down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it helps me out a bunch. And yeah, let's get started. So first things first, I'm gonna start off with a primer. This is the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. This is my favorite just because I have really oily skin. I have a school project to go to after this. I hope this comes out nice. Let me take my nose ring out. So this is the main component of the brush. As you can see, there's a little spinning part in there. Doesn't sound too powerful, but so this is my MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, and this is in the color NC42. That was the shade that I was matched for. So we're just going to start off with a couple of small pumps with the foundation head. Now the spin isn't all too powerful, but it's getting the job done. I mean, also I might have just gotten a defective one. You never know. That happens a lot with AliExpress. Maybe the batteries that I put in it didn't work too well. So far, yeah, it's doing a really good job of blending. It's just that the spin isn't too powerful. I mean, but if you were spinning it on your own, you wouldn't be going at sonic speed anyway. So I added more foundation. Again, it's blending it, and I'm not going to complain about how well it's blending because it's doing the job. It's just, if you put it too hard on your face, like look, pretty much stop any motion. And there are, I don't know if you can see, but it's leaving behind a couple of bristles, which I don't know about you guys, but whenever a brush leaves hair on my face, I find it really hard to pick them off because they're usually covered with foundation or whatever. And that bothers me for the actual rest of the day. Remove all of my baby hairs. This shade is looking a little bit yellow on me, not gonna lie. But then again, I was matched for this I was matched for this in September, so still had a little bit of a tan. It is now February, so I'm pale as ever. I'm actually running out of this. I was matched for this last September, so I've had this foundation for over a year, and I love it, but I never really noticed how yellow this actually looks in this lighting. So, as for blending, I really like how well blended it is. I still have my sponge just to dab it in. With any brush, I would still do this step, just because I like that full flawless look, and just in case there's any patchiness. I'm gonna wear something that covers my neck today, like a hoodie. Now let's try it with under eye concealer. By the way, this came with 4 brush heads, this foundation one, and now this one that looks like it could be used for maybe powders, another foundation one, and this one I want to try with concealer. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So for concealer, I'm grabbing my Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer. And I'm kind of in a rush. You only can really blend in one direction, which isn't like a big deal, but it blended everything really nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face and give you guys my final thoughts. By the way, I just wanted to show you guys the eyelashes that I'm using today. These are really high quality lashes, and these are from my website, which will be linked down below. And with my discount code LEXLASH, you can get money off. Now these sell for $11.50. After the discount code, you get free shipping and a free gift. And I think that's a really affordable price, just because these are like really high quality lashes, and you get 3 of them. Usually you would get like 1 pair of high quality lashes from anywhere between like $8 to $15 per lash, which I do have a lot of different styles. I have mink, silk, wispies, all on my website if you want to check it out, and the discount code works for all of my eyelashes. So I'm just gonna zoom you guys in just a second and show you how pretty these are. So these are the lashes. Now you get 3 pairs of these for $11.50, and I really love these eyelashes. You can put them with a really simple look, a really dramatic look. They're like nice in the middle, so they really work with any look you want. I should have clipped mine like a little bit long on me, but that's actually a good thing. It'll fit a lot of different eye sizes, so if you have big eyes, they'll fit you. If you have small eyes, you can trim them. And they just look so pretty and girly, and they flutter out. So I'll be right back with my final thoughts on the brush. So this is the final look. Did the brush save time? No, not really, which I'm pretty sure that's the purpose of electric makeup brushes. Did it blend really nice? Yes, it did. Will I use it a lot? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. I would rather just use my regular makeup brushes. If you do want to try this brush, I would say using better batteries. I used Dollar Tree batteries, and that definitely showed. So yeah, it works. It does what it's supposed to. I don't know if it saves you any time, maybe like a couple seconds. But yeah, that's my final thoughts. So I'll link it down below in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. You can probably find a few different versions of this on AliExpress, and even maybe wish.com if you search enough. So that concludes this video. And one last thing, if you have not entered my giveaway or are following my Instagram, you should definitely do that. I'm giving away a lot of goodies. I'm giving away a selfie ring light, one of those little ring lights that you put on your cell phone, teeth whitener, a recording microphone if you're doing YouTube, a whole bunch of eyelashes from my website, and a special discount code just for watching this video. So the rules are, you just have to follow my makeup page at Glazed Lex Makeup, repost the picture, follow my eyelash page at Glazed Lashes, subscribe to my channel, and tag 3 friends on my makeup page at Glazed Lex Makeup. If you do all of those things and repost the picture with Glazed Lex 1000, then you will be entered for a chance to win the giveaway. Lots of goodies, well worth it, and I will be shipping it to you for free. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and give this video a big thumbs up, and comment a heart emoji if you will be entering my giveaway. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.